Hello guys, my name is Arturo. It's Arturo's Crazy Life, and today we're in Switzerland, guys. We're over here for a 10-hour layover to our final destination. So we're gonna make the most of those 10 hours that we have here. So come along with me as I show you around Zurich, Switzerland. Let's go. Okay guys, so we have this 10-hour layover and we have 4 main objectives while we're here. Number 1, we gotta eat something. I'm hungry. Number 2, we gotta do an activity, a museum or something like that. Number 3, I gotta find my drone. And number 4, I have to buy a little souvenir before we leave. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna let you guys know where our next destination, our final destination is. So stay tuned until the end so you can know where we're going, all right? First order of business after we land and we got to the downtown area is to go look for some food. Last time I ate was last night, so we're pretty hungry, so we're just looking around to see if we can find any good restaurants. And this is what it looks like, people. It's just tons of people and the architecture is pretty nice. Look at this is pretty dope, guys. The trolley in the middle of the town. We're gonna keep on walking along until we find something that we wanna eat, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay guys, so we finally found some food. We came to a burger place. Leave it to us to come to a burger place in Europe, but we ordered 2 burgers, a side of fries, and 2 drinks, and it came up to 67 francs, which is roughly $73. So whenever you come to Switzerland, guys, make sure you guys come prepared with some little bit extra cash because everything over here is expensive. Okay guys, we're gonna try that burger time.
Yeah.
It's good. It has this like really thin patties on it. The pickles give it a nice crunch to it. I like it though.
I'm making a mess.
Okay. Now we're gonna try the fries. They're good. They're really crunchy. Some ketchup. Mission number 1 accomplished, guys.
$73 later.
$73 later, though. Okay guys, as we walk around the city, I just can't say the architecture here is beautiful. This is my first time in Europe and it's really clean and everybody's just minding their own business, doing their own thing. And look at the buildings here, guys. This is so awesome. There's a canal right there, and back there was a guy feeding the seagulls. And as we keep on going down this way, you just have like beautiful views in the background. This has been the best layover that I ever had. guys, we're in the downtown area and there's all these main brand stores all over this place, all these designer stores. I'm not a big fan of it, but it's a really nice area though. And you have these strollers coming through all over the place. And the all architecture that they have over here, it just makes it for a really nice place to take some pictures. And also it's expensive, guys. We were looking at some magnets for the fridge, and there was 10.50 francs, which is probably like $12 or something like that. I don't know, man.
I think the local things for teaching everywhere we charge like $5.
Switzerland is expensive. You have all these expensive ass cars driving around. Mercedes, Bentleys, G-Wagons. Look, this is exactly what I'm talking about. It's just Dior right there. Back there was Dolce & Gabbana and Versace too. One thing about Switzerland, guys, they speak a bunch of languages over here, so it's pretty normal for people to speak more than two, because they speak French, Italian, German, obviously English is taught in school, and as well as Swedish. So a lot of the places, and even like the signs and the trains and stuff, they all be like in 4 languages or more. So it's really nice to see that is super multicultural here, and we see a lot of tourists from all over the place as well. Since I know some of the layovers here can be pretty long, as is ours. So people just come here and explore. It was just probably like a 12-minute ride from the airport, and we pay I think about $15 or $16 each for an all-day pass train thingy, which was great. More trolleys, guys. So one of the things I wanted to do was get a souvenir, and as you know, we filled the Yeti up, so we got a sticker. It's a little bigger than I would like it to be, but we still got space. We got it off, so now we found a place right under Honduras. It's a little crooked, but we got it. Guys, we got lost, but if you're ever lost, always ask people. People are always kind everywhere to tell you where it is. So we got lucky that some young guys told us where it was. We were looking at the wrong place. We have to go all the way down, two floors down underground, because when we got here we got dropped off on the top, so now we gotta take it at the bottom. Okay guys, this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. We went to eat, we got to fly the drone. We also bought the sticker for the Yeti, and we didn't get to go to the museum, but we're running short on time. But if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you. And yes, where we're going next, stay tuned, because we're going to Africa.